Game 4 of the ALCS between the Yankees and Astros. Houston still leading 2-1 and feeling pretty good about themselves, but the fans at Yankee Stadium trusting in their man Aaron Judge. Can he come through yet again? Pick up the action in the 4th.
Broken bat pop-up into right center field. Judge is way too far off the bag. Didn't start back until too late. And he's doubled off first to end the inning. The question is, was the tag applied before the feet got to the bag? And here's a good look at it. I think he's safe.
Once they realize he's safe at first, they're going to call him out at second for not touching the bag on his way back. This is the first time I've seen this.
All right, so there's a first half of it.
He doesn't.
Judge is running for some reason.
Yeah, I mean, what do you have to lose?
Line, base hit, over third, down the left field line, rolling into the left field corner. Springer scores, Reddick scores, here comes Altuve. So 3-run score. The Yankees trail 4-0. They need a major rally. The pitch to Judge, swung on, a high drive to deep center. That ball is high, it is far, it is gone. Oh, what a Judgian blast to Monument Park in dead center field. Oh, the Yankees finally hit a ball hard, all right. Here's the 2-2. Swung on and drove it to deep left. It is high, it is far, it is off the wall. The tying run scores. The Yankees have come all the way back to tie the game at 4.
So the batter is Gary Sanchez.
Swung on and line, base hit, right center field in the alley. Didi was running, Judge scores. Here comes Didi, he is gonna score. Sanchez, a 2-run double to the gap in right center. One of the greatest rallies I've ever seen.
The Yankees rally for 6 unanswered runs and take out the Astros 6-4, evening the ALCS at 2 games apiece. The Yanks improved to 5-0 at home in this year's postseason.